bicicleta? All right, you tell them what we're doing? We're going to make our indoor herb garden.
Yeah.
Indoor herb garden. Raising sustainable children. Not sustainable children. Eco-friendly children. What are we doing?
So we're gonna make
Indoor.
an indoor herb garden. And
Okay.
here's your you need some dirt, a watering can, a basket, your plants, and
A plastic bag to line it.
yeah.
Yep. What happened? What's going on? Did you lose your glove? Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you put this on her? Okay. So first things first, let's take out our. And squeeze like this a little bit, and then see if we can pull it up. Oh no! First things first, we need to line the bag with the. Hold this. So we're gonna take our plastic bag because we're gonna do. We want this to sit on the counter, so we got a really cute basket, and in order for it to hold the water when you order it, you want to have it lined with plastic. That looks about right. So we'll put it in the middle and then we'll trim it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Trim it.
So we're gonna put that in there, like so. And then, see, and you can't tell because it's already got a cloth liner. Then we get our scissors and just trim around. All right, so we'll do that for now. Hey, Cutie Pies always makes things more difficult, right? Your milk and your cup?
Hold.
Okay. Giancarlo, get the cup. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, now we're gonna do some dirt. We're gonna get dirty.
Can do this and you can.
All right, put a little in the bottom. Okay, 1 minute. You gonna help us? I would have done it with your hands. The pot. Baby's still whining and crying. Okay. I don't know. Let's measure to put the plants in. Almost. All right, maybe like another inch. Okay. Oh, that's not what you want to do. You definitely don't want to dump dirt outside of the. It's all right. Oh my gosh, we're making a real big mess now. Okay, we definitely don't want to get our nice white basket all dirty, but that's okay. We'll trim the end of the bag later. All right, I think that should be good. Put these pants in. Even it out, back it down. Stop, Violet. Missy, why are you messing with that? Put the tablecloth down. Perfect. That's perfect. Now take it out of the plastic and we can plant them. Oh my God. Okay, it's all in there and we're ready to water.
I'm too cute. Wait.
Stand her up. Okay, go all around. Water the whole thing. You have to turn it? Good. Do big water. All right. Tip it.
Look at here. Hi. we're all done with the herb garden.
Okay.
Hopefully you enjoyed the video.
And then maybe we'll put it in the center of the table and replace the old poinsettia. Ta-da!